Intech 2026, we have displayed 5 products catering to different industrial segments, and this is a JD2 high-speed drill tap center. This machine specification is 12,000 RPM, direct driven spindle BT30, and with 48 meters rapid traverse is there. And this machine is used for high-speed application, drilling, tapping, and light milling applications catering to electronic industry, automobile, and other industrial segments. And next is this is a JV84 mid-size vertical machining center. This is a heavy-duty machine. This machine specification is 800, 500, 500 XYZ spec, and this is a heavy-duty machine used for automobile, general engineering, and other segments. The next one is LTV50. This is also a heavy-duty vertical turning length. This machine specification is 800, maximum turning diameter is 800, and turning length is also 800. The swing is 880 mm. The spindle power is 18.5 22 kilowatt spindle power, and large valve components, automobile components, pumps and valve components can be done on this machine. Also, we have displayed a large turning length machine, LL20T L12. This is a 1.2 meter turning length machine. The maximum turning diameter is 380. This machine can be used for transmission shaft, pump shafts, and other oil and gas industries. JH550 horizontal machining center. This is a 500 by 630 pallet size machine. This machine is used for pumps and valves, gearbox components. It's a heavy duty machine. The construction is very heavy. We can offer in 3 ranges: BT50 spindle, HSK spindle, and the spindle also we can give belt driven, and direct drive also we can offer. If you can see, transmission component is running in this machine, and large valve components also we can do in this machine. It's a heavy duty horizontal machining center. Also, these are some of the components machined in our CNC machines. This is particularly for aerospace industry, and different materials like titanium and special alloys we have done in our machine. And these are some of the electronic components, automobile, gear components. So we have full range of CNC machines, CNC turning, machining center, both vertical, horizontal, 5-axis machine, turn mill center, and vertical turning lathe, horizontal machining centers. So we look forward our customers at Intech 2026 to offer our different end-to-end solutions.